Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Realme C51. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C51 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C51 settings section. After click over there, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here network and internet. After click over network and internet, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here hotspot and threading, and then you need to click here Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you will see screen appear just like this. If you decide to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, you can simply turn this on, and then we will see my phone has successfully turned on Wi-Fi hotspot. Also in this status bar we will see a Wi-Fi icon, which is quite interesting. Now you might be want to know what is the Wi-Fi name and password. We'll say this is the Wi-Fi name. If you decide to rename it, you can easily type any name you want, and also if you decide to rename any password, you can simply type any password you want, and after that you can click here OK. So from now my friends and family, they can get Wi-Fi access from my phone. So within this simple way you can easily turn on mobile hotspot in your Realme C51. Now you might be decide to how to turn off. So for that you need to go again in your Realme C51 settings section. Click here network and internet, and then click here hotspot and threading Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way you can easily turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Realme C51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.